Chapter 3. Working with Flash. You have already studied in your previous class how to create a file in Flash and perform some artwork. In this class, we will study about layers in Flash. The layers are used to stack artwork and animations on the stage, making them exist together visually but can be edited or moved independently from one another. Layer. A layer is a transparent sheet which contains various objects that can be placed on top of each others. You can add layers, delete layer, and change the position of a layer. Working layer is called active layer. Flash projects get more organized when you learn to work with different layers. Take a look at the images below, where an image may be assumed to be a separate layer that has been drawn on. Layer 1, Layer 2, Layer 3, Layer 4. The layer 4 is a combination of layer 1, layer 2 and layer 3. In layer 4, all the layers are placed on top of each other to create an illusion that only one shield was used to draw everything, but actually were used separately. As you can see, layer 4 looks like a single image, but in reality, each layer can work upon individually. There are features in Flash that allow you to focus only on those layers that you want to edit by locking and hiding other layers. Adding layers. The timeline in Flash already has one layer by default whenever you create a new Flash document. For additional layer, you simply need to click on the New Layer button at the bottom of the timeline. Every time you click on the New Layer button, layer gets added to the timeline. Removing layers. Layer can be removed if required, but you need to be careful as all the contents get deleted along with it. To delete a layer, follow these steps. Select the layer which you want to remove by simply clicking on it. To select multiple layers, hold down the Shift key and click on the layers to select. After a layer or multiple layers are selected, click on the Delete button at the bottom of the timeline to delete a layer. Selecting a layer to draw. To draw on a layer, you need to activate it by clicking on it. Selecting a layer is essential to draw and edit on a layer. An active layer is always highlighted in blue. This helps you to understand which layer is active. After selecting a layer, you can proceed to draw or edit on the stage. Whatever is drawn is added on the stage will be placed in the active layer. The figure below shows a circle that is drawn and layer 3 was active. This indicates that the circle is in layer 3. Hiding layers. In some cases, it is required to hide a layer and all of its contents. Look for the eye icon and click on the dot that is responding to the layer that is required to be hidden. Once the dot is clicked, it has the entire contents of that layer and the dot gets replaced with a cross. The cross indicates that the contents of that layer are no longer visible or are hidden. To make them visible or unhide the contents of that layer, click on the cross to bring back the layer's visibility. The cross will turn back to a dot. Locking layers. Locking means that a layer will not be editable. Once you lock a layer, the contents will not be editable. Moreover, you will not even be able to select the contents of the locked layer. Thus, locking provides security against accident or deliberate change to the contents of a layer. You can click on a dot corresponding to layer under the lock column to lock the layers. The dot changes to a lock symbol. Once a layer is locked, it will remain visible but remains uneditable. You won't even be able to select the contents of a locked layer. You can also click on the lock icon to lock all the layers. Once all the layers are locked, the lock icon may be clicked once again to unlock all the layers. Animations. Animation refers to any movement of change that can be performed with an object within a given time. To perform animation, you need to understand frames. Frame is the basic unit of an animation that stores the details of a movement of chain within an object over a certain period of time. You can see the frame of an animation on the timeline. When you add a new layer, Flash automatically creates a frame for you called the keyframe. The keyframe is a frame that indicates that there is a change in the contents of the layer. Animation in Flash basically consists of two methods. Frame-by-frame animation. Motion tween. Frame-by-frame animation. The frame-by-frame animation is used to create animation by changing the contents of each frame. It is generally used to design complex animation patterns. Steps to create frame-by-frame animation. Select the text tool from the tool panel and type T. Set the font size and color for the text in the Property Inspector. Click on second frame on the timeline window. Insert a keyframe by selecting Insert, Timeline, Keyframe or by pressing F6. Click on Stage and type I next to T. Similarly, keep on adding keyframes for each letter and type G, E and R. To play the movie by clicking on the frame on the timeline window. Then select Ctrl, Play or press Enter key. Motion tween. Motion tween is used to create automatic intermediate animation frame by frame, where you need to define only the starting and ending point of the animation. Flash automatically fills in the frame in between. Steps to create motion tween. Create a new Flash document and draw a circle at the top left corner of the stage as shown below. Select the circle using the selection tool and convert it to a symbol. To convert it to a symbol, right-click on the circle and from the pop-up menu, select Convert to Symbol, which will present you with a dialog box for naming the symbol. By default, it will show the name symbol 1, but you may also provide some other name and click on the OK button. On the timeline, right-click on the keyframe. Upon right-clicking, you get a pop-up menu from which click on the Create Motion Tween option. A tween span gets created, which is actually a group of frames that creates the intermediate frames for animation. Now, click and drag the circle from the top left corner to bottom right corner. You can see the motion path of the symbol through which the object will move. To see the animation, you need to click on the Play option on the Control menu. Quick review. Layers in Flash refer to different levels on which you can place your drawings and objects one above the other. The layers at the top overlap the layers at the bottom. You can add, delete, hide and unlock the layers. Frame is the basic unit of an animation that stores the details of movement or change within an object over a certain period of time. The keyframe is a frame that indicates that there is a change in the contents of the layer. In frame-by-frame animation, the movement of an object or symbol is made frame by frame. When using motion tween, the starting and ending point of a symbol needs to be created and the intermediate frames for the movement of the symbol are automatically created. Quick review. Layers in